Recently, I stumbled upon an incredible opportunity that can help you earn your first $100 with 0 followers on any social media platform you want. So let me show you how you can do it. Let me explain about Hagen in simple terms. Hagen is a website where you can make a talking avatar. It's a cool platform that lets you create videos with animated characters that can speak. The interesting part is that Hagen helps you make money from your videos. They have a program where they pay you $5 for every 1,000 views your videos get on any platform. So the more people watch your videos, the more money you can earn. On top of that, Hagen has a monthly contest. They give away a cash prize of $5,000, which is shared among the top 20 videos with the most views and engagement. To participate in the contest, you need to use a specific hashtag when you post your videos. This video is not sponsored, by the way. To get started, you'll need to create an account on the platform of your choice. In my case, I picked Instagram and YouTube Shorts. These are popular platforms where you can share your videos and reach a lot of people. So let's take advantage of Hagen and start making money with our animated avatar videos. Sign up on Hagen and set up your accounts. After creating an account, we must generate our avatars. Using AI, the recommended image generator for this task is Pick Lumen. You will find all the links down below. Now you have to generate AI voice with quotes. So ask ChatGPT for some wise quotes. After picking one of the quotes, head out to 11 Labs to generate a voice. At Hagen.com, we bring together everything necessary to create your video. We combine the avatar we made earlier, add the voice you want, and let the website handle the rest of the process. Please note that Hagen is a paid service, but they do offer a free 1-minute credit. If you can't afford it, you can create new accounts each time the 1-minute limit is reached. After, you will need an editing software to make the captions in a good font. In my case, I will use CapCut because it's easy and has auto subtitles in the bold font. Follow these steps to create your subtitles. All of those tasks, it's important to acknowledge that this type of content is highly appealing and has great potential for increasing the number of followers. Some accounts are even receiving millions of views on their short videos. However, if you're looking for an easier way to achieve success, you can participate in the Hagen Challenge, which offers a high chance of winning. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe my channel, so see you soon in next video.